Baruch Aboim, everyone. We usually like to release something from the Noam Elimelech on Wednesday, but I think because Wednesday is Yom Kippur, it's better to release it earlier. This week's Parshas Haazinu. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 32, it says, Haazinu Hashamayim v'daberu. Give ear, O heaven, and I will speak. Says the Heilige Rebbe Melech, Schus Yigalim Cheslamei Nirali, it appears to me al derech the Isa B'Zerah Kadosh, in accordance that which is cited in the Holy Zohar. La'asid k'shiyavay Mashiach tzidkeinu b'meher v'yameinu b'meher yavay Moshe Rabbeinu alav shalom yilmud Torah Yisrael v'yigal lehem al rozin deraisa v'ferish Torah kadosha. That very soon in the future, in the not too distant future, when our true Messiah comes, it may be very soon, then Moses, our teacher, may rest in peace, will also come and teach Torah to the Jewish people and reveal to them the secrets of the Torah and the explanation of the Holy Torah. From Lahem Moshe Rabbeinu alav shalom. And Moses says to them, he may rest in peace, Haazinu Hashemayim, give ears, O heaven, because the Torah scholars, the students of Torah, are called the heaven. That is their archetype. And he commanded them that when they teach and they learn the Torah, if they come up with some novel idea, that should be according to the archetype of giving the ear. The Hainu Kshiazinu Adavar Malmala, they should cause that to be heard to the ear, even the ears up in heaven above. By Fasar Kadosh Aleim, as the holy light shines upon them. Malmala from above. Kshalem Adavar Ahu, when he learns that things as Yiftachu PM L'Davar, then their mouth should be open to speak of it. Val Yedei limited Torah, and through Torah study, Tirgmul L'Kar V'Geula, will cause to bring close the redemption. And then what will happen? If you study Torah now and you cause that Torah to be heard up in heaven, Moses is saying you're causing that the redemption will come closer, and you'll be worthy to hear the secrets of the Torah from my mouth, just like in the old days. That's what means, and I will speak. That when you study Torah, you cause the heavens to hear the words of Torah. You will cause, says Moses, that I will speak. That I will speak. That I'm going to speak with you in the future, says Moses, when the Messiah comes. May it be soon in our days. Amen. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.